Hey everybody. So I just want to say something before I get started with doing some makeup. You know, I think I had done a video several months ago sharing my frustrations with trying to, just trying to get some things done, like wanting to get my room together, wanting to have everything organized so that when when I need to get dressed and stuff, that it can happen really quickly, because I have my issues with my health and I really don't have a lot of time to to get ready. And so, like, a lot of times everything was kind of up in the air, and oh, it's just so frustrating. But I just want to say to those of you who, like, you feel the same way that I did, with like, man, I never have enough time to get things organized so I can quickly get the things done that I need to get done. Hang in there, because I feel like now I've kind of got everything organized the way I want it, so it's really easy for me to just, grab what I need quickly and get dressed and do my makeup and stuff like that. And it's not a huge hassle like it was before. So I just want to say, just hang in there. It's going to take a while. Those of us who have a chronic illness, we understand all too well. Things take a while. Things are going to take longer than it does with healthy people. And, just try not to give up. Because now I'm really excited about doing my makeup. It's like, okay, I know where everything is and it's all organized, and it makes me excited to want to make more videos, and also got my kind of video thing a little bit better. I still probably have to deal with the white casting, but as far as like where I have everything, I'm really happy with it. So yeah, just try not to give up. And I understand if you do, if you want to, I totally get it. But we have our bad days. Just wait until those good days come, and then take that time to put things together. So anyway, I'm going to pull some things I haven't tried. I wanted to get some new concealer for this area, because I always heard, okay, no, it hasn't been opened. Has it? No. Anyway, sorry, I was afraid that the seal had been broken. I was like, oh man, I gotta take it back. But I've always wanted to do that kind of triangle thing, but I'm not gonna go as extreme because I am kind of old, kind of old. But I do like the idea of when it goes like this, because I kind of want to emphasize this area. I want to kind of brighten it up, so that's what I'm hoping to do. But anyway, I'm going to put some things together and I'll be back.